Evaluating property performance can feel a lot like drowning in a sea of mind-numbing spreadsheets. You can have all the right data, but still miss out on the opportunity to take action simply because you couldn't easily identify the insights needed to make a decision. But not with Asset Intelligence. With its intuitive heat map visualizations, multifamily owners, asset managers, and operators can see all of their property performance data within the context of the physical real estate and the surrounding area. When your team can visualize unit-level data such as pricing and inventory on a map, not a spreadsheet, it changes the conversation from subjective to strategic. With actionable insights that can inform absorption, forecasting, pro forma variance, and exposure and renewal strategy, Asset Intelligence delivers the critical KPIs, trends, and insights you need to optimize cash flow, streamline operations, and make pricing decisions. Looking for even more insight? You can also model a mix of data sets such as amenity premiums, punch lists, maintenance, and more, creating a higher level of transparency and context so your teams can make better decisions faster. A unified view of all performance data is the only way to optimize operations in an increasingly data-dependent industry. Join the leading operators and owners already working with actionable unit-level insights. Put the power of Asset Intelligence to work for you. Schedule a demo today at engrain.com.